Here in Kentucky, all of the old home places always had rhubarb. They would have asparagus and peony flowers, lilacs. That's just what every farm had. 2 or 3 rhubarb plants would be enough for a family for the whole season. You can harvest all summer long as you take 1/3 to 1/2 of the plant at any one given time and no more than that. Kind of like lettuce or tomatoes or peppers. They're all very similar in that you can cut a little bit and they'll produce more for you later in the season. Here in Kentucky, the varieties that we choose actually do really well in our climate. They're abundant producers in the spring and the summer, but they're not necessarily that dark ruby red color that some people are used to seeing. Ours are a little greenish and pinkish and reddish. You can eat rhubarb of any color. It can be solid green and it's still very enjoyable. Rhubarb leaves are pretty large. You don't want to eat the rhubarb leaf. You often will see the rhubarb stalk, where it's been harvested for you, the leaf removed, and the stalk is the portion that people use in their recipes. Rhubarb pairs really well with strawberries because they're both in season at the same time. You can make a sauce that you can pair with fish or meat or chicken, or a lot of us know it as something that you might sweeten a little bit with berries and make a pie. There's plenty of dishes you can prepare, but you can also harvest everything and pop it into the freezer so that you can have it later in the year. Maybe you wanted it at Thanksgiving or Christmas. Well, go ahead and get that harvested now and set that aside so that you'll have it for yourself later in the year.